Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, or we can say another playlist of this channel where we will be diving into the Next.js. We will learn about Next.js, whether you are aware about React or any another framework, that's completely fine. This is a completely beginner friendly and we will learn and explore new things in Next. So right now you can access this website by going to code.i+t.in. Okay, once you are here you will be able to view this Next.js course. Okay, I will update here soon. Right now it's on localhost, but you will get it. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on view course and you will be redirected to this page. So let's see what we are going to learn, what we are going to explore in Next.js series. Okay, this is a overview video. Okay, there's nothing coding part, nothing technical, just a simple conversation, and I hope you will enjoy this. You will get an overview of what is this series, what we will be able to learn from by continuing this series. Okay, great. So you can see, like, you can master Next.js just like a pro. Here is a syntax that I have written. It's just a normal React syntax. No need to get fear from this. It's too simple. Okay, we will be diving into one project also, and we will pick that project from your end. Whatever you will comment at the end of this playlist, we will pick that project and we will start coding in Next.js. Okay, cool. Now, the main question that arises, like, who can exactly view this course? Who can learn this course? For whom it's good? Okay, so I have written the some benchmarks here. You can read it by your own, or let me tell you. So if you are a beginner friendly, like you are just new to development or new to coding, uh, you can go this. But if you are completely new, I prefer you to learn first JavaScript. But still you want to do, you can easily do this Next.js course. Nothing so complicated, but uh, first time jumping to the coding world, it can be little bit tricky, but not an issue. Now next, if you are React developer and want to see the server side rendering, then you can easily come to Next.js and you can continue this series. Next, if you are a freelancer or any entrepreneur, you can easily start this course. Okay, this is perfectly for you. And if someone is finding their job and need to learn some more advanced things, you can also follow this playlist. Now if someone want to build a real world project and want to see actually what's going behind the tech part, then you can even view this full course. Okay, there is nothing so challenging for you. Now here I have created a curriculum that we will be following throughout this playlist. uh, First, we will view what is Next.js, why it's used. We will create a separate video according to the modules, number of modules. Okay, there will be 50 to 60 modules, and this is not fixed. It will depend on the new upcoming things, and this can be more or can be less. Okay, second, we will see how we can set up our Next.js app in our local system. Third, we will see the page and routing, like file based routing. This is really too interesting, and React developers will be happy to know that it's too easy and too interesting to view it in Next.js. Okay, next is we will see some advanced topics in Next.js. We will see server side generation and like static side generation also. After that, we will see client side navigation. Then we will see some server side navigation also. How we can see pages, next link we can use, how we can optimize images. After that, we can see how we can use CSS and some styling options like Tailwind CSS or any other another CSS. Okay, next is how we can configure environment variable. After that, how we can fetch data, how we can get static props or server side props. This is nothing to know right now, or just get an hands-on overview. Okay, don't think like, oh my god, what is this? No, it's too simple, guys. Just trust me. We will be walking through every video, every uh, flow. Okay, it will be too easy. Okay, don't worry. Next is we will see dynamic routing, how we can cache the route. Okay, next is API routing in Next.js. How we can use routes in Next.js to create API endpoints. As Next.js is a client side and server side full stack framework, we can see it's a full stack framework. Additionally, we will see how we can use any external API and any CMS integration. Okay, after that, custom document and custom apps, how we can build layouts, how we can build components. After that, we will see an authentication and authorization using NextAuth or some other another things. Okay, after that, we will see how we can handle forms or any another kind of a validation. And next is at this point we will be watching how we can deploy our project on Vercel. Okay, it will be too easy, guys, deploying on Vercel. This will be too easy. Next, we will see middleware. What are the uses of middleware? Why should we use? We will look into that. After that, we will see app routing and page routing. This is too interesting and too simple also. After that, we will see incremental static regeneration. Okay, means how we can uh, generate server side renderings, how we can optimize a large scale database. We will look an overview of this. After that, we will see some additional topics like server side rendering, edge functions, building full stack apps, and some SEO optimizations, building blogging, e-commerce. Anything can be built by Next.js. Means whatever you can build in React can be built in Next.js. It's really too simple and too easy to understand. After that, testing in Next.js, we will use a Cypress if you really need it, because for a long project or in big firms, or we can say on a production level, we need to test our application, so we can use Cypress there. So we will integrate it with the CI/CD pipeline, with the GitHub Actions integration. Okay, nothing much more. Now next, we have made some line of code in Next.js, or we can say React. It's the same to same as React. Okay, so you can see here we have exported one function named home, which will be welcome to Next.js and some data on the page. This will be a home page, by the way. Okay, so cool. Next, we have seen what this course is different from other courses. Okay, you can view this, you can read this, nothing much more. But yeah, guys, I will highly recommend you to at least give me 40 to 50 days to master this Next.js class. Okay, and here are some questions that I have mentioned for you, whether you need any prior experience in React so that you can work on Next.js. Then no, I don't believe you can, because but yeah, still I will say that if you are unfamiliar with the JavaScript, then I recommend you to learn first JavaScript. But not an issue, this is not an issue, you can even continue the Next.js course. But yeah, you will face a lot of challenges. Okay, so how long you can see, just a normal conversation I have written here, you will be able to access this course lifetime freely, nothing is charges. Okay, so what you can see at the bottom, we have some next lesson. Okay, cool. So that's all, guys. This is an overview of this whole playlist that we are going to follow up. And this is not that much complicated, not that much easy, but yeah, you need to follow, you need to learn, and you need to create a powerful, wonderful projects, and you need to tag me. I will look into them and I will let you know how you can improve that, how you can make more advanced things in that project. So yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you so much. We will catch up in next video with an installation steps, how we can install Next.js in our local system, and we will start our server. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.